Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be combining clove and ginger to boost our hair growth. The reason is clove can stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which encourages hair growth. It fights against dandruff because of its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Clove oil and clove water can help reduce dandruff and scalp infection. Clove is rich in antioxidants and minerals that can help strengthen the hair from the root. Cloves contain compounds that can help preserve the natural hair color and prevent early graying. Clove infused treatment can add shine and softness to hair. Ginger, on the other hand, is excellent for promoting blood circulation to the scalp, which help deliver nutrients to the hair follicle. It has antiseptic property that can help combat scalp issues like dandruff and itchiness. The nutrients in ginger, like magnesium, phosphorus and vitamins, nourishes the hair follicle and stimulates growth. The active compound in ginger, known as gingerol, can help strengthen the hair roots and reduce hair thinning. Regular use can make the hair softer and more manageable. Cloves help balance sebum production, especially beneficial for oily scalp. Ginger helps regulate scalp pH, which can reduce excessive dryness or oiliness. Ginger contains gingerol, while cloves contain eugenol. Both are warming agents. When massaged into the scalp, you will feel it literally stimulating blood flow to the scalp. Both ginger and clove contains antiseptic, antifungal, and antibacterial properties that can help reduce build-up oil dead skin cells that clog the follicles. Both ginger and cloves contain antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, manganese, and flavonoids. All these nutrients nourishes the hair shaft, prevent breakage and split ends. There are so many ways to use this combo. You can fuse it in an oil, you can do clove and ginger rinse, you can do clove and ginger mask, you can also do a daily leave-in spray, which is what we are going to do in this video. I'm going to put the clove away for it to infuse. So I also went ahead to blend the ginger. I didn't peel off the bark because there is no need. The bark also contains some essential nutrients you will need. So all I did was I gave it a thorough wash. You would like to wash this well so there will not be any sand or any dirt inside your ginger. So afterwards, after blending it, I'm going to use my cheesecloth to strain out the water. Straining it out means taking out the chaff that will get stuck into your hair, and we don't want that. So I'm going to use this cheesecloth to press out the juice, which is what we'll be using. So basically what I did was that I let the clove infuse. I took out a little bit of water from the clove to blend the ginger because I didn't want to add extra water, so it won't be too diluted. If you have a blender that can help you extract the ginger juice without water, feel free to do it that way. It is more potent when you don't add water at all. After extracting the ginger juice, I'll then bring in the clove, which has been infusing for about 12 hours or so. I let it infuse overnight. So this is what our clove looks like now. It has properly infused. If you notice, the clove has also doubled in size, like it becomes bigger when it is soaked long time in water. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that same cheesecloth to strain out the water. If you want a darker clove water, blend the clove before infusing it. If you do it that way, your water will be darker than this. So this is the clove buds. I'm going to throw them away because there is no need for it again. We have already extracted what we wanted from it. Let me give you guys close-up look of both liquid before I combine them. So this is ginger and that is clove. You see, this smells so good, like I can't even get over it. It smells so nice, especially the cloves. So I'll just go ahead and combine. If you don't want to go through all this, you can just slice your ginger and boil it together with your clove. You get your ginger and clove spray. This doesn't have any offensive smell, so you can decide to leave it in your hair, but you can also decide to wash it. It is left to you, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use it as a leave-in spray, so I won't be washing it out. If you're using it as a wash out spray, Make sure you leave it for 30 minutes before you wash it out, and also wear a shower cap to trap it in first into the hair follicles before you wash it out. That is the only way this will work for you. Also check that you're not allergic to ginger or clove before using it, so do a batch test first. So I'm going to use an applicator bottle for this. Before transferring in this, make sure you stir it because ginger at times settles under. It is very common. It's one of the features of ginger, so you need to stir this before you turn it into your applicator bottle or a spray bottle. I will now show you guys how I use this on my hair. Remember, as a leave-in, so I will not be washing it out. After I'm done applying it, I'm going to use a shower cap just to help absorb the product into my hair follicle. Also, do not forget to shake up the bottle before using, because the ginger will settle under. The focus is mainly on the scalp because that is where the hair grows out from. I didn't bother using it on the strands of my hair because of the contents, which are clove and ginger, and they are quite drying on the hair. But if you have to use it on your hair, make sure you are moisturizing afterwards. The focus should be directly on the scalp. After applying this, use your hand to massage it in. Then you go ahead and wear a shower cap, very important. This will help the spray penetrate into the hair follicle. You will literally feel the burning sensation on your scalp when you use a shower cap. After applying this, wait for some minutes and then moisturize your hair.